Alright, so bad drain pump, good drain pump. So this basically, this I believe has gone bad, so now I can't use the washing machine anymore. This shit. Because I can't get the water out of here, because, here, if I can go. I might have been able to hear the water in there. But yeah, there's a bunch of fucking water in there. I forgot to bring the towels out. Oh well. So that, and then since I'm in here, gonna replace the belt with this. And hopefully something works. But we're gonna start. I should probably unplug the bitch. And now for you. Unplug. Ooh. Oops. Yeah, you're the right connector. We're gonna start by ripping off this here tube and draining whatever's in there. Or maybe we're not. Or maybe we are. No.
Okay, I just want to double check. I realized that when I plugged the toilet.
No, it's not gonna affect anything. It's just the washing machine.
Okay.
You're good. Okay. Sounds like there's water in here. Maybe there's not water in there. Which might mean it's the motor. There is water in there, however. Gonna come out of this? Oh, that's a lot of still water. Oh, my feet are wet. Oh, everything's wet. Okay, well, apparently I was out of storage when I unscrewed the bottom piece, so yeah, it's out. So basically, flip. Yeah. I think it just burnt up. Actually, since I got my other flashlight, where do we need that? That's the wrong screw. So I've got to get that one tightened down first. I still remember why I hate you. I guess they're designed just to be like that. That's stupid, but whatever. Hose back on. Hose. Where'd I put the other hose? Oh, there's where I put the other hose. This is actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, drain pump. Now it's time for your tensioner's way back. I really hope if I wasn't on fucking soaked ass towels. Floor covered in fucking soaked ass water. With no goddamn fucking space. Yeah. It was definitely time for this to get done. I had a feeling. And just like that, new drain pump and new washer belt. Guess the real test now, see if it all works. Alright, well now I got it all put together. Plug back in. I guess it's time to see if it'll actually work. So I forgot to mention, I am just gonna run this empty with a little bit of washer cleaner in there. Try to get any goop out of there. Hope for the best. Oh, it's spinning. I think I fixed it.